Ooh, monkey. Where monkey at?
Where monkey at? Oh yes, hair.
Monkey want mental. Mental. Monkey want metal.
Me want meadow.
Wait, where are we?
I don't know, but it looks cool. Oh, there's monkeys here, finally. Wow, that's pretty cool.
Monkey say, what that? It looks like metal. Should we eat it?
I don't think so.
Ah! Where am I? Where am I?
Oh, I'm Big Jungle. Oh, visitors! Finally, yes.
Who are you?
I'm a Mongo.
Where are we?
We are in the back rooms.
Wah! I just woke up. Why are there monkeys?
We not monkey.
Are you made of metal? I'm mostly made of plastic, so not entirely. Dang it. What is that thingy? I don't know. Huh?
Oh.
What is that?
It look like metal, so I eat.
Okay, that looks okay. Oh my gosh.
Let me run.
Drop kick. Whoa. Monkey. Unresponsive.
Oh, oh, nobody hurts me.
Oh. Yum yum. Yummy yum yum. Delicioso.
You just ate a guy.
This little boy looks yummy too.
No, I need to run now. Oh, I need to run. Ooh. Ooh. I guess that's my food.
Monkey ask simple question to creature.
Yes.
Are you made metal of yeah.
No.
Oh, you can be our friend.
Yay, I'm Big Chungo like you guys.
Monkey don't know what this is. Monkey doesn't understand.
Oh, that's... Oh, wait. Oh, it's a portal gun.
Who?
A gun that you can shoot portals. Oh, portal.
Can we leave this weird yellow place?
Let's see if it works.
Monkey want to jump in.
Yes. Oh, I thought it would stay.